In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Apps for productivity. We'll move through Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Meet, and finally, Tasks and Keep so you can streamline your day from messages to meetings. Let's start with Gmail. Begin by creating labels for the major areas of your work like clients, finance, content, and anything marked urgent. Next, set up filters so incoming emails automatically land in the right label based on sender, keywords, or subject lines. Star messages that need attention so they bubble to the top when you're scanning your inbox. If you send similar replies often, enable and save templates to respond in seconds. And when you're done with a thread, archive it instead of deleting so you keep a clean inbox without losing context. Turn on undo send to catch mistakes and enable keyboard shortcuts to fly through actions like reply, archive, and search. Now time block with Google Calendar. Create separate calendars for work, personal, and content, then color code them so your day is visually clear at a glance. Add recurring tasks for routine work and set reminders like 10 minutes or 1 hour before to arrive prepared. Use focus time blocks to protect deep work and treat them like appointments with yourself. Think of your day as chunks of time rather than a long task list. In Google Drive, set up main folders such as clients, marketing, admin, and finance, and use consistent file names so search results are predictable. Share folders instead of individual files to avoid permission confusion, and set the right level, viewer, commenter, or editor, so access matches responsibility. For teams, shared drives keep ownership centralized and easier to manage. In Google Docs, start from templates for proposals, reports, and SOPs to save setup time. Use comments and suggesting mode to collaborate without overwriting each other's work. Add headings to build an automatic outline and jump around quickly, and insert checklists to track progress. Docs is perfect for SOP creation, blog writing, contracts, and meeting notes. In Google Sheets, create trackers for content, expenses, and leads. Use basic formulas like sum, IF, and count to get quick insights. Add filters to zero in on what matters, and apply conditional formatting to highlight trends and red flags.